It's another beautiful day. And I'm here to remind you that pressure makes diamond. So when it seems hard, all hope is almost lost, keep going. Keep pushing. You understand? Keep pushing. Never give up. Sometimes, as humans, it's not easy. But I can tell you from experience, it's not easy. It's always, sometimes it seems like you want to give up, or more waiting person they even pursue like this self. Don't tire for all these things. Probably they solve this problem, another one they come up. They solve this one, another one they come up. Baba, hey, I just want to tell you, say no be only you they face am. No be only you they face am. But that is life. So don't give up. Keep pushing. Diamonds are meant out of pressure. So keep pushing. Your time will surely come. Your time is loading. Cool down. Kwechiria boy. Never giving up. Have a very nice day. Thank you.